Ladies and gentlemen, and my dear sisters, check out my hair. I'm growing my hair longer and more volume in this winter. Especially I'm going to meet different type of person in this winter. But time is not allowed for me to wait for my own hair to grow longer and more volume. What am I going to do? Am I going to wear the hair extension which we produce for you guys if I am a lady? No, I don't think so. In this world of instant gratification, we want it longer and we want it now, but time is not allowed. Because a person's hair can only grow 1.5 centimeters every month. Yes, you heard it right. I'm not saying anything wrong. A person's hair can grow only 1.5 centimeters long. But I'm going to teach you how to grow your own hair longer and faster. I have 5 tips to help my daughter grow much more volume hair, and people keep asking me how I do it. Number 1 tip, scalp massage. Your hair has something in common with your muscles. If you stimulate it, it will grow stronger and bigger. Massage your head. The blood circulation of the scalp will accelerate. In this way, your hair will grow faster. Okay, follow me. Raise your hand like this. Massage your head in the front every day, few minutes in the morning, and the back side every day, few minutes in the evening before you go to sleep. Relax yourself. Okay, a little bit dance. Don't stop it. When this hair tutorial video comes to the end, it's the time for you to stop. But now, keep massaging your head. Don't stop it. Trust me, I have learned this from the hair doctor, and from the medical point of view, let me show you how our hair grows out from our head. So you can see from this medical point of view video, the hair bulk is actually underneath your skin, and it helps to grow the hair. And when you're massaging your head, actually you are massaging your hair follicle. It's very important. It will help accelerate the blood, and you see the whole process. Yes, you see the arrow. There's 3 periods for the hair to grow. The most important times for the hair to grow is 2 to 6 years. The one in the middle up. I hope this video can help you to understand how the hair grows out of your head. Number 2 tip, do not use. Hey sister, why do you stop massaging your head? Don't stop, please. Keep stimulating your hair follicle. Yes, your hair follicle. Did you see the hair video I just showed you? How the hair grows out from our head? Hair follicle, don't stop it. Number 2 tips. Do not use shampoo to wash your hair every day, because if you use shampoo to wash your hair every day, it will help your hair to grow slower. The shampoo will remove the natural oil on your hair. The natural oil will help your hair grow longer, beautiful, and smoother. So it's better to wash your hair with shampoo every 2 or 3 days. If your hair is not washed often and the hair will get very oily and with a lot of dandruff, like me, I'm not sure if you have this problem like me. when the hair is not washed and it's very oily and with a lot of hand job? If yes, then you can try to use dry shampoo and corn starch. And of course, you can use hair conditioner. And when you wash your hair, you can use more hair conditioner and little hair shampoo. And this will be much better. Okay. Number 3 tips. Eat vitamins, especially omega-3 and vitamin B. The sufficient of vitamin will affect the growth rate of your hair. I will eat multivitamins, such as my protein. But every person's body is different. Not to mention I am Asian and you are American and you are European, you are African and you are the person from the other continents. So before you put something new to your body, you should always do a fair bit of research. For me, I would go to the hospital to do the blood test and the doctor will tell me what type of vitamin I lack. And you always do research on the food to supply the related vitamins. Remember, it's very, very important. Number 4 tips. Trim your hair is a must do. In every month, you must go to the salon to trim your hair. If you don't trim your hair when the hair grows longer, it will get dry and get damaged and turn into split ends. You can trim the back of your neck here and you to trim the both sides of the head like this to help the hair in the middle to grow smooth and longer. When I supply hair extension to my customer, they will mention to me, hey Hyman, we don't like split end hairs. So we are very careful when we go to collect the raw hair in the village, and I keep telling those donors that try to trim your hair in every 1 or 2 months when you see the hair is growing longer and longer. So I will also ask my co-workers to pick their hair and carefully check their hair when we're picking the hair for customers. It's very, very important. And trim your hair can help to refresh and replenish and reinvigorate your own hair. Number 5 tips. Drink more water. When you catch a cold, your parents and doctor will keep telling you to drink more water. The older I get, the more I realize what they say makes sense. You need to drink more water every day. Our body is composed of water and grease, and the hair doctor told me that our hair is also composed of water and grease. So at least you need to drink about 1,500 ml to 2,000 ml of water every day. If you lack of water, you will lack of hair. So it's very important. After exercising, keep to supply more water to your body. Okay, it's about the time now. You can stop massaging your head now. Hey brother and sister, how do you feel massaging your scalp? I bet it was great, right? But what am I doing now in this video? I'm a hair businessman, and am I still going to sell the hair to the customers in the future since I am teaching them to grow their hair longer and faster?